What is up, guys? It's your boy, the one and only MC Skittles, and we are back with another taste test video. Dill Pickle Cup Noodles. I haven't tried these before. If you don't know me, I love ramen noodles. I love spicy beef, shrimp, chicken. I love all the flavors. I don't care how spicy they are. If they're super spicy, I just eat some ice cubes. I just eat some ice.
Ice? Woo!
So this is gonna be a really good one. So this is dill pickle. Never tried any dill pickle, but let's sniff it. Smells like good pickle. And now let's cook this baby up. So we put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Oh, I almost forgot to add water. Alright, that water is added, and now it's time to cook it up. 3 minutes. And now we wait. Oh, it's almost done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Grown man, by the way.
The noodles are done. Let's get them. Oh, it's hot. Let's sniff them cooked. I don't know about I like them. See if it tastes any good. 3. Oh, I'm so excited. 2, and scared. 1, 0. You know, doesn't taste bad as I expected it to be. Really good. I'm a sucker for weird flavors, so this is my type. That's all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment your favorite flavor noodle. Peace!